morning. It is like 5-ish a.m. I don't know. Welcome to my morning routine. But yeah, let's just get going. So we're in my closet. As you can tell, I really need to fix my folding in here. It's kind of just thrown in here, but it is what it is. We're getting ready. This is my closet. For my gym outfit today, I'm just gonna wear some biker shorts, a sports bra, and like a wrap type of top. So I like to do some sort of planning in my day, whether that's like the night before or in the morning before the gym or after the gym, whenever. I like to do a little daily check-in, so this is kind of what I'm doing in my daily full focus planner. Kind of like my top 3 priorities, my schedule, notes of the day, gratefuls, wins of the day, things like that. And I try my best to pre-plan the night before with everything. If that works out, great. If it doesn't, I do it the morning of, just so that I hit the ground running when I wake up and I know what's going on for that day and what I'm trying to get done. Of course, that doesn't always happen, but I try my best to plan as much as I can, because sometimes I just feel like things happen better when you plan more, and it's just about building that habit. So that's what I had time for today, is to do this before the gym. Okay, some good podcasts that I listen to at the gym. This one is called The Best One Yet, or T-Boy. It gives you like the top few stories, news stories of the day, and it just sums them up for you in like a fun way. I feel like it's a good way to like stay in touch with what's going on, but also not stress myself out too much. And I love it because it gives you like things to talk about at work and stuff. Other than that, I'm probably going to listen to Justin Bieber's new album because it just came out. So let's hit the gym. Okay, well, that is basically my morning routine. Showered, put on some kind of outfit for the day, and did very light makeup, and I'm ready. And I don't have, it really depends like on the day, but sometimes I don't go into the office for work and I work from home, so I'm doing that today and just having a chill day at home, which I appreciate so much. But yeah, I mean, normally I would just put a little bit more effort into my appearance and go into the office, but today we're doing casual. So yeah, that is everything. That is my morning routine, my 5 to 9 before my 9 to 5. Yeah, but I hope you guys enjoy, and you all have a lovely day, and I will see you all next time. Bye guys.